In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage the inventory in your Shopify store. Keeping your inventory organized is crucial for running a successful online business and ensures that your customers have the best experience possible. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your favorite web browser and log into your Shopify account. Once logged in, you'll be greeted with the home page of your store account. From here, you can access various features and settings to manage your store effectively. This home page is your central hub for all things Shopify. Next, take a look at the left-hand side of your screen. You'll notice a menu filled with different options. Navigate to the section labeled Products. Clicking on this tab will take you to a page where all the products you've listed in your store are shown. This area is where you'll actively manage your inventory and keep track of what's available for sale. Once you're in the Product section, you'll see another tab labeled Inventory. Click on this to open a detailed page that provides a complete overview of your current stock levels across all listed items. This page displays crucial information such as stock quantities and where each product is located if you have multiple storage sites. Now, say you have a specific product you want to review or update, like an example shirt. You can simply click on the product directly from your inventory list. This will bring up all the details specific to that item, allowing you to adjust its availability or other attributes. While you're viewing the product page of your example shirt, direct your attention to the title field. This is where you can ensure your product is correctly named and that the name accurately reflects what your customers will receive. It's particularly important for searchability and customer trust, so make sure it's clear and descriptive. From here, move to the Description section. It's essential that your product description is accurate and thorough. It should give potential buyers enough information about the product, highlighting key features and benefits. A well-crafted description can be a good persuasion tool on why your customers should purchase the item. Following the description, take a look at the Status section. This portion allows you to check whether the product is active, archived, or draft. Keeping the status updated as per your store's needs helps maintain accurate inventory and improve the buying process for customers. Finally, navigate to the Publishing area. This is where you manage how and where your product is visible to customers. Ensuring proper publication settings mean that your products reach your intended audience and are readily accessible when needed. And there you have it. That's how you effectively manage the inventory in your Shopify store. Keeping your inventory up to date is fundamental to running a seamless online business, and with these tips, you'll be able to manage it with ease. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.